Good morning, students. Wake up every morning and tell yourselves, I can do this because nothing is impossible for you to do. One more step, you will go and study whatever is taught to you. Here is our class going to be started. This class is the last module of the topic conjunctions. Today also we will study about some conjunctions in detail, and the conjunctions are yet, if, till, until, and unless. The first conjunction is yet. Yet as a conjunction means but or nevertheless. We use it to show contrast. Yet and but का use same होता है and both means same. They both are used to show contrast. For example, there was a plenty of time, yet he could not complete his work. Plenty of time होने के बाद भी उसने अपना work complete नहीं किया. Both the sentences oppose each other. So, here the use of yet is correct. Now, see some more sentences of the conjunction yet. I ran fast, yet I came in last. John studied a lot, yet he failed. Manisha plays football well, yet she likes tennis. He is true, yet I can't trust him. The weather was cold, yet bright and sunny. The next conjunction is if. It is used to say that one thing can, will, or might happen or be true, depending on another thing happening or being true. If का use कंडीशन शो करने के लिए किया जाता है. इफ किसी भी सेंटेंस में ये शो करता है कि वन थिंग या स्टेटमेंट तभी ट्रू हो सकता है जब सेकेंड ऑप्शन ट्रू होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू सी हिम गिव हिम दिस नोट. हियर इज द कंजंक्शन इफ जो कि कंडीशन शो कर रहा है गिविंग नोट इज पॉसिबल ओनली इफ ही सीज हिम. नाउ सी सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. इफ ही रन्स फास्ट ही विल कैच द ट्रेन. If you study well, you may pass. If he does not take care, he may lose his health. If Ram is good at singing, he will not hesitate. If Mohan will come, I will welcome him. Now the next conjunction is till, until. Till, until means up to the event mentioned. Till, until, both the sentences are similar in meaning. Both have same functions as well. टिल अंटिल का यूज हम टू मीन्स अप टू द इवेंट मेंशन करने के लिए करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई विल स्टे हियर अंटिल यू कम बैक. वी वेटेड टिल 3 o'clock. हियर द इवेंट आर यू कम बैक एंड 3 o'clock. सो वी हैव यूज्ड अंटिल एंड टिल. आई विल वेट टिल 5 o'clock. Sia was sleeping till the morning. Mohan will not go until he gets a gift. We cannot go outside until the guests come. Manu will be waiting here till you come. Now, the next conjunction is unless. We use unless to mean except if. Unless का use sentence में हम करते हैं to means except if. For example, they won't come unless you invite them. Here, unless means they won't come except if you invite them. Now see some more examples. Roman will not eat food unless it is hot. She will not hear unless you call her. I will not ride bike unless the weather is clear. We can go outside unless it is dark. The shopkeeper will not give the things unless you pay him. Students, this is the last video of conjunction. After this, let's move to homework. The question is, pick out the conjunctions from the following sentences. Write them in your notebook. From these sentences, you have to pick out the conjunctions and note down in your notebooks. So students, our topic conjunction is complete. Soon we will meet with a new topic. Till then, complete your work. See you soon. Thank you. Bye. Take care.